Hello friends. Now, when we have created our three-dimensional table and one fact table, so now we are just ready to load all these tables into my data model part of the Microsoft Power BI. But before going to there, just a bit of cleaning, which will help me to manage my all the queries effectively, right? So let's go back to the Power Query Editor and see. Now we have one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different tables. But first three tables and this region table, these four tables are the source table, or I can say intermediary table. I won't be able to do something into this. I want to make my visualization out of this player dim, game dimensional, regional dimension, and attributes fact. So let's arrange these queries in a better way so that when we will come back into the specialist query editor, Power Query Editor page, we should see some clean kind of environment here. So for that, in this queries pane here, I'll click a right click and open a new group. And I will a new group. I will name that group as maybe source tables. And in this, as I press OK, you can see that there are some folders that has been made. So by default, all the queries are there in this other queries. Nothing is there in the source table. I will do one thing. I will select this athlete winter game, drag this to this source table. Similarly, now this source table have one query and other queries has remaining seven. Similarly, athlete summer games will also get into this source. Athlete games is also a source now because I don't want to take this also and this region. So now we have one, two, three, four tables, but there is some issue in this. Let's retry. So now we have four tables, which are my source table, and the four tables: player dimensional table, game dimensional table, regional dimensional table, and the leads fact table. These are my final tables. So let's make one more group with the name of final tables. I'll rename this correctly. Final tables. Now I'll select all these four tables with the control. Okay. So I'll select one by one and put it into the final tables. Right. So there is some issue. So I will reconnect all my tables. Fine. Now we have made it this segregated just to make our view clear that these are my source table and these are my fact table. But when I'm putting my tables to the Power BI data model part, I don't want to carry these four tables. I want to carry only these four tables. For that thing, I will click on any of the table, athletes winter game. I'll click on right click on this, and there is one feature that is enable load. I will untick this. I'll continue it. So once I'll untick it, it will come into italicized a bit of a bit italicized font. And once I will upload it or apply the load, this table will not get loaded into model part. Similarly, I don't want to load this also. I don't want to load this also. Continue. And I don't want to load this also. Right now, these four tables will not get loaded, and these three, four tables are enabled loaded. So that's why once I will click on apply and load, apply, only these four tables will get loaded. See this, only one, two, three, four tables are getting loaded to my Power BI data model part. Right. So guys, from here till here we have completed our Power Query part of the Power BI course. In the next module, in the next videos, we will more deep dive into the data model part. We will create the relationship of these tables, and then we will do some more manipulations using DAX, or maybe we will do more visualization. So till now, thank you very much, and we will meet you in the next module. Till then, thank you.